Hello, dear students. Let us today talk about the change in social scenario during Prophet Muhammad's time, and we will be talking about the political advancement also. In Medina, Muhammad created a political order from all three sources which gave his followers the protection they needed as well as resolved the city's ongoing civil strife. The Ummah was converted into a wider community to include polytheists and the Jews of Medina under the political leadership of Muhammad. Muhammad consolidated the faith of his followers by adding and refining rituals and ethical principles. The community survived on agriculture and trade as well as an arm or tax which is known as zakat. In addition, the Muslims organized expeditionary raids on Meccan caravans and nearby oases. These raids provoked reactions from the Meccans and caused a breach with the Jews of Medina. After a series of battles, Mecca was conquered, and Muhammad's reputation as a religious preacher and a political leader spread far and wide. Muhammad now insisted on conversion as a sole criterion for membership of community. Medina became the administrative capital of the emerging Islamic state with Mecca as its religious center. The Kaaba was cleansed of idols as Muslims were required to face the shrine when offering prayers. Muhammad was able to unite a large part of Arabia under a new faith, community, and state. After the death of Muhammad in 632 AD, the biggest innovation for creation of the institution of Caliphate are as follows. Number one is Umayyads and the polity. The third Caliph, Uthman, was assassinated and Ali became the fourth Caliph. The rifts among the Muslims deepened after Ali from 656 to 61 fought two wars against those who represented the Meccan aristocracy. Ali's supporters and enemies later came to form the two main sects of Islam, Shias and Sunnis. Ali established himself as Kufa and defeated an army led by Muhammad's wife Aisha in the Battle of the Camel in the year 657 AD. He was, however, not able to suppress the faction led by Muawiyah, in kinsman of Uthman and the governor of Syria. The first Umayyad Caliph, Muawiyah, became the next Caliph in 661 AD and founded the Umayyad dynasty in 661, which lasted till 750 AD. Muawiyah moved his capital to Damascus and adopted the court ceremonies and administrative institutions by the Byzantine Empire. There was Abbasid revolution. A well-organized movement called Dawa brought down the Umayyads and replaced them with another family of Meccan origin, the Abbasids. Abbasids were the descendants of Abbas, who was Prophet's uncle, in the year 750 AD. The Abbasids came to power in 750 AD. The foundation Abbasids dynasty was laid by Abu al-Abbas. Under Abbasid rule, Arab influence declined while the importance of Iranian culture increased. The Abbasids established their capital at Baghdad. The 9th century witnessed the downfall of Abbasid Empire, which created space for the emergence of several sultanates. Then comes breakup of the Caliphate and the rise of Sultanate. The Abbasid state became weaker from the 9th century because Baghdad's control over the distant province declined, and because of conflict between pro-Arab and pro-Iranian factions in the army and bureaucracy. In the year 810 AD, a civil war broke out between Amin and Mamun. They were the sons of Caliph Harun al-Rashid. From the 11th to the 13th centuries, there was a series of conflicts between European Christians and the Arab estates.